Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel today. I'm Sarah from theaveragetourist.com, and today I'm going to be doing a review of a tech organizer that I recently purchased on Amazon. I'm going to be using this for an upcoming trip to Mexico, and I wanted to put all of my tech gear in one compartment or one case that I could easily access on my trip. So here it is. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet. It's by BUBM, Be Unique, Be Myself, and it's portable and says it's waterproof. So I'm gonna fill this up and give you a quick walkthrough of all of the features and let you know how it goes. Now I'm gonna try and fit all of these tech items into the case and show you how it works out. Okay, so I've put everything into this case. I wanna point out a few things on the outside. So I do have quite a lot in the middle of the case, but even still, there's not a lot of pressure on the zippers, but I wouldn't put too much in there just to make sure that the zipper doesn't burst while you're in transit. Speaking of zippers, the zipper at the top, so there's two, so you can zip it into the middle, like that, or you could have them all zipped to one side, like this. I kind of think that the branding on the zippers is a little bit overkill, because it's on all four zippers as well as the two zippers on the inside, and it's also branded right here. Then if you see here where they've joined the material on the front and on the back, they're both unfinished edges. So I don't think that's going to be a problem, but I did just want to point it out. And this is loaded pretty heavy, so I've got all my stuff in here, and this handle seems to be really good. It seems like it would hold probably a few more pounds in here as well. I wouldn't put it too heavy, but I'm pulling on this really hard here and it's not budging. So I really like the handle. Now for inside. I was able to fit 5 cords in the top, and it has 3 additional sections for cords here. I've got earphones, my Fitbit charger, 3 USBs, and a USB charger down here. I like that this has the mesh at the bottom, so I can put all of the plugs and my earphone buds in the mesh rather than having them sticking out at the top. I also put this large cord in here. I don't think I would take this with me on an actual trip because it is kind of bulky, but I did want to show you that it does fit, although it is pulling quite a bit here, so I wouldn't put anything too big into the elasticized bands. But I did want to show you that it does fit, but it does leave it stretched out. So just so you know, if you have a lot of bigger cords, they will fit. In this side, I've got 2 of my GoPro batteries, and there's definitely room to add more items there. So here in the bottom, I was able to fit in my Kobo. My Kobo is a mini, and it fits great. I took it out of the case. It seemed that there was enough padding in the middle that I was comfortable just taking it out of the case. However, it does say that it would fit a tablet. A smaller tablet would probably fit. Mine, however, does not, and I didn't want to take it out of the case and try and force it in here because I didn't want to rip the mesh, and I also didn't want to damage my tablet. So I'll be packing my tablet separately and using this for my Kobo. In the bottom here, I was able to fit 2 mini battery packs, a large battery pack, my charger for my USB cords, my GoPro on its little case that attaches to random mounts, the GoPro charger, and a Nikon point-and-shoot camera that I like to take when I'm going somewhere I don't want to take my big DSLR. Now I want to talk about the padding on the case. So these are removable with Velcro, and there's a felt fabric all around the bottom of this case, which I really like. The padding on the sides is quite thick, and it actually seems to be thicker than the padding on the bottom and the padding on the top. So I do like this case, and I like that these are soft, so you could put things in here and they probably wouldn't scratch. The stitching also looks pretty decent on this, on the zippers and on the inside material, and it just seems to be a pretty decent case overall. So there you have it, my review of the BUBM Waterproof Portable Organizing Case. I'd also like to point out that it comes in a number of other colors, but the reason I purchased black was because my husband is also going to use it and he probably wouldn't want the pink one, although it looked really nice. So I did purchase black, but they have many other colors you can choose from, and I'm going to leave the link to it on Amazon in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more travel-related videos in the near future, and I would love to have you back.